Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a review on a Bona it's like a little spray mop. I bought this from Menards just because in our new place we have nothing but hardwood floors, so there's no more like using our carpet cleaner for mistakes or nothing like that. So right now I'm just going to unbox it. In this video I'm just showing you guys me just cleaning up and everything, and showing you guys how it works. And I love it. Like, honestly, for this to be the first little mop or whatever that I have as far as like a spray mop, because I do not swear by these. I don't even like the Swifters. Y'all can hate me for that, but I mean, hey, I just don't like them. But the pad, it comes with a pad. It already comes with the filled in fluid. But y'all gonna see that when I unbox it and everything. Right now, I'm just struggling. All right, so y'all can continue to watch. Okay, so right here, I'm just putting everything together, just clicking it in. Honestly, it was very easy. It really didn't have to, read the directions or nothing like that. This is the pre-filled liquid that I was already talking about that it comes with. Yes, of course, I still bought extra, but you shouldn't run out of this in a couple of uses. Like, mine's is still full right now, and I only use this probably like 3 times so far after, this video and everything. So right now I'm trying to debate if that blue part come off or if I just click it in. But eventually I get it. It just clicks on in. And yeah. All right, so right here, I'm just showing you guys. Hopefully you can see it just a little bit. My dog in the way. Ignore her. But you can spray. You can hold on to it. It does a long spray, or you can just tap it a few times and it comes out. But basically, honestly, I know the lady, some people are saying, oh, you can go the same way as the wood. I'm just like, you know what? No, I'm fine. I'm just going to do it how I do it. It didn't leave any streaks or nothing like that on the floor. It was very, very easy, very, very like flexible. Like, I loved it. Like, I really, really enjoyed it. So I just want to, give you guys a little review on this little mop in case y'all do got hardwood floors and y'all want something a lot easier than just, water in a bucket and whatever little materials that you use to mop with.